This video tutorial I will explain how to download and install MongoDB 7 on Windows 11 operating system. Step 1 is download MongoDB 7. For that, go to MongoDB website using this particular link. Then from the drop-down menu, choose MongoDB 7 latest stable version. And you have to make sure you have selected Windows as operating system. Then under package option, you can choose MSI package and download the MSI package, which is the installer file. Select the MongoDB version as 7.0.14, which is stable release, and operating system as Windows, and package is MSI. Click on download. It is downloading. It is downloaded. Here you can see the installer file. Step 2 is install MongoDB 7. For that, run the installer. Locate the downloaded MSI installer file and double click to run it. Then accept the license agreement. Then choose the installation type. The installation type can be complete or custom. It is recommended to choose complete unless you want to customize the installation location or components. In the service configuration screen, choose to install MongoDB as a Windows service. This will ensure MongoDB starts automatically when your computer boots up. And you can either leave the default service name or specify the custom one. And for run services network service user, you can leave the default option as checked. Then choose the data and log file paths. By default, MongoDB will set the data directory and log directory. You can either accept this or change the path if needed. Next, you will see MongoDB Compass installation as an optional. And MongoDB Compass is a GUI tool for interacting with Mongo database. You can choose to install it by keeping the checkbox checked. And if you don't want GUI, then you can uncheck the option. Then complete the installation by click on the install button. And MongoDB 7 installation will begin. And you have to wait until the process is complete. Double click the installer file. Here you have to choose the setup type, complete or custom. Click on complete. Here you can see service configuration screen and install MongoDB as a service. And you have to select this option, run services network service user. Here you can see the service name. This is the data directory path. This is the log directory path. If you want to change it, you can change it. And it is asking you want to install MongoDB Compass. I'm going to install MongoDB Compass. So this is checked. Click on finish. Step 3 is set up MongoDB on Windows 11 operating system. First, we have to verify the MongoDB installation. Once installation is complete, open the command prompt or PowerShell and type this command MongoDB -- version. And you will see the version of MongoDB 7 which was installed. I ran MongoDB -- version and it is showing MongoDB is not recognized as internal or external command. To make it work, we have to set path till bin folder of Mongo database. We will see how to do that. Right click on System, click on Advanced System Settings, click on Environment Variables. Under System Variables, here you can see the path. Click on Edit. Here you can see MongoDB. Copy this path. Click on New. Close this command prompt. Open again. And try the same command. MongoDB --version. And here you can see DB version is 7.0.14. And from this we can confirm Mongo database is successfully installed. Run MongoDB. MongoDB should already be running as a Windows service if you install it as a service. You can check the status by typing services.msc, and you can find MongoDB in the services list, and make sure it is running. Run this command. Search for MongoDB, and here you can see MongoDB server is running. The status is running. Start MongoDB manually. If you did not install MongoDB as a service or need to start it manually, then open the command prompt and go to the bin directory of Mongo database. Then you can start the MongoDB using the command mongod. Step 4 is connect to Mongo database. The first way is connect via MongoDB shell. Open the command prompt or PowerShell and type the command mongo. This will start MongoDB shell. Using that, you can connect to your MongoDB instance. Run this command. Looks like Mongo shell is not installed. We will see how to install and use it. Search for MongoDB shell. Open this link. Here you can see the version 2.3.2 MongoDB shell we can download. Operating system is Windows. Package we will choose MSI. Click on download. It is downloading. The installer is downloaded. Double click. It is going to install this location. I am going to change the path. Here you can see it is installed successfully. Copy this path. Right click, System, Advanced System Settings, Environment Variables. Click on Path, Edit, Add New, and paste the path. Open command prompt. Type mongo sh. And it is connected to test database. There are three DBs are there: admin, config, local. Use local database and it is switched to local DB. We'll see what are the collections are there. It has one collection. So using Mongo shell, we have successfully connected to Mongo database. The second way to connect to Mongo database is using MongoDB Compass. It will allow you to connect to your MongoDB instance using graphical interface. You have to enter this default connection string to connect locally. We will see how to do that. Open MongoDB Compass. Click on Add New Connection. And this is the default connection string. Click on Save and Connect. And it is successfully connected to MongoDB instance. And it has three databases. Step 5 is create database and collection. Once connected to Mongo database, you can create your first database and collection. In the MongoDB shell, you have to run this command. Use database name. Then create collection using db.createCollection, then the collection name. Collection is successfully created. So collections, and here you can see the collection, my collection is successfully created. Now the conclusion is you have now successfully installed and set up MongoDB 7 on Windows 11 operating system. You can now start developing or managing your databases locally. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.